Want to turn your backyard into a cozy glow up using Dollar Tree finds? In this video, I am showing you how to transform simple Dollar Tree solar lights into stunning garden decor that will light up your nights on a budget.
Hi, I'm Loli, and I'm so glad you are here.
For this one, I'll be using one of these solar lights from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it with this red outdoor paint. I did only 2 berry light coats. Here I was a little bit concerned that the light will not go in all the way to be able to recharge the solar panel inside of the light. So I decided to scrape off some of the paint of that area. If you create this, if you find these lights, I only found them once. But if you do find these and get to recreate them, I will say just when you're painting this, just avoid this section altogether so that way you will be avoiding this step altogether as well. Once I had the entire square done, now we are going to come in with this outdoor black paint from Decor. Found at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the back of this marker as well to just dip that end onto the paint and create polka dots all around it. At first I went smaller, but then I was like, you know what, it's looking like it's having chicken pox instead of a ladybug. So here you'll see me getting them more spaced out and making those circles a bit larger. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comment section where you're watching from. I love to know how far my videos are reaching. And also share with someone who will enjoy it as much as you do, because sharing is caring and it helps my channel grow. Thank you so much. Now that all my polka dots are done, we're going to put them inside to dry, and we're going to take one of these windmills from Dollar Tree. We're going to remove the head of this, and I'm going to also remove 4 pieces off of this. My friend, today's video is part of the Talented Creators collaboration that is hosted monthly by my friend Aurea from DIY with Aurea, myself Loli from Lolids Creations, and our amazing guest host this month is the amazing Jette from Craft Along with Jay. The links to our channels and to the playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Make sure to head on over to the channels, the playlist, and show everyone some love. Now that the polka dots have dried, we are going to come in with my soldering tool, and I'm going to add a hole to the front portion or the wider portion of the solar light here, and I'm going to stick that head right onto it, and I'm doing it quickly before that plastic hardens again. And to make sure that it stays put, I'm going to take some of this UHU glue and add it in between both surfaces. Guys, I have to apologize to you. My voice is horrible today. I am sick. Please have some grace with me. I'm doing the best I can to finish this video. I was hoping to do more DIYs, but this is all I have energy to do. Alright, as you see there, I just bought 2 holes using my soldering machine. Here, the holes were not as wide as I needed it to be, so I'm coming back with another pass. Then positioning those 2 prongs into it. I want to make sure that that fabric is against the solar light. And then once I'm happy with the way that it falls on it, I'm going to just add some of my UHU pigment or glue to that as well. But first I added hot glue to make sure that everything stayed in place. So I'm able to add some of the UHU in the top section, kind of like within the holes. So that way that plastic and the metal will stay together, and I'm adding some hot glue to the back to make sure that that wing also stays on the level that I want it to be on. And I did the same process with both of the wings. If you're enjoying the content, go ahead and smash that like button. The holes were left with some humps and too big, so I am coming in with the soldering machine and shortening it up or flattening it again, bringing the plastic onto the opening to make it shorter. And I did that with all 4 holes. And then I added 2 more wings to the back section using this same technique. Then I painted any surfaces that did not have any paint left after I did the soldering technique. And that is it. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this project. For this project, we'll be using this solar light from Dollar Tree. Just open it up just so you can see the makeup inside of it. The solar panel is the inside, and so is the battery. We're going to put it back together, and then I'm going to paint it with these two colors. These are outdoor colors from Decor Art that I found at Dollar Tree. Then I took a pool noodle and I'm going to cut it in half, cut that piece in half, and I'm going to use it as a stand to hold this piece in place while I paint it. I'm going to start with the black. For the black, I'm just going to add some to a paintable surface, and then I'm going to paint the bottom section or the back section that I'll be using for the back for this project on here, making sure that I have a nice clean line. Then I'm going to continue to make stripes all along, leaving an empty space in the middle. I ended up doing about 4 stripes. My friend, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to hit that like button, and while you're there, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. Thank you so much. And this is what it was looking like so far. Now we're going to take the yellow color, the outdoor paint tool that from Decor Art as well, that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint all those middle sections. And here I'm just adding just 1 coat of paint because I do not want this to be too dark so the sunlight is able to reach this. So this is what it looked like. And then I take one of these windmills from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the head in the front here. And to be able to add it on, I'm going to melt a hole into the front as you see there. You can use your glue gun, or you can use this sort of an iron that I got from Amazon. I will link it in my description box below. I just did a hole that was big enough to hold that little peg that's in the back of the head, and then just put it right in there and let that melted plastic hold it in place. Then I'm taking 2 of these spindle portions here, the wings, I don't know what you call them, these, you know what I'm talking about, these pieces right here that I'm taking off. I took 2 of them off using some snips, and I took my soldering iron and I'm adding 2 holes to the top section of my bee, trying to space them out as with the distance that those little pieces have, the little metals from those windmill wings. And I'm going to add it to the holes as you see there, and these are going to become the wings of our decor piece here. And I did the same thing with the other side, and I'm trying to not add any of this to the middle because that is where the solar panel of this piece is located. So we just adding it apart as you see there. And if you notice, I've kept the yellow instead of the black there, so as much sunlight will hit that portion of the bee. And just like that, we're gonna just add a little bit of glue to this because this is going to be outside. I do not expect hot glue to hold this in place, so I'm going to add some of this new UHU glue that I'm trying out, and I just added a little bit of hot glue as well to hold it in place until this other glue set. And that's it for this one. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this piece? This project I'll be using 2 of these candle holders from Dollar Tree and 2 of the solar lights as well. This is going to be a quite simple project. We're going to remove all the tags from each one of these, and we're going to use some UHU to go ahead and stick these together. I decided to use these back to front, so I will be gluing the solar lights to what should be the base of the candle holder. And to attach it, I'll be using some of this new UHU glue that I got from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below if you would like to try it. I added about a quarter size amount to the very center of the bottom of each candle holder. And then I'm going to position my solar light on top of that, leaving some pressure so it will dry. This was supposed to be quick drying. I checked about 2 hours later and it was still wet. It dried at about 4 hours later. I am in search of a glue that dries within 15 minutes, hopefully. If you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I have tried gel super glue, but I don't like that it leaves a white residue behind. And now these solar lights are not only cute this way, you can always flip them over and have candlestick holders with the solar light glowing at the bottom. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this project.
My friend, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you enjoyed today's content, here is some more videos you are sure to enjoy. Thank you again so much for watching. You're amazing. Bye.